Okay, we're doing a walkthrough on our new Big Horn 3985. Just gonna look at the storage underneath here.
Oh, hi. I'm Mike from Heartland Trailer. I was just testing out the weight capacity of this new Big Horn rear cargo tray. Holds up to 800 pounds. This is standard in this model, the 3985. It's got the rear cargo with the side doors all around, slam latch doors. So you can store a ton of stuff in there. But enough about my sleeping quarters for the winter. Let's take a look at the rest of the unit. So this one has the Diamond Elite package, which means you get the power reel. So that's right here. I got the unit plugged in right now. So you can retract your 50 amp cord. If anybody's ever had a 50 amp cord before, you know how heavy and bulky they can be. This one winds up real nice. Ladder, get on the roof, fully walkable. This way. So your basement storage has got your docking center. So that's got your water filter built in, outside shower, TV connections, hot water heater bypass, dump valves. So these do sport a drop frame. Okay, so a 10-inch I-beam frame, and that is heated under there as well. And it's even got a part for your sewer hose right underneath. So you can order these with a generator. That'd be a 5500 Onan. It's an optional generator. It's got the more ride pin box. Help with chucking a little more. And of course your big main entrance for your basement storage. Power awning, there are two on here. The second one is an added option. You've got the quad entry step here, more ride. So these just flip right up into the unit if you choose. Let's go in and check it out. All right, so welcome inside. So this is the rear den model. So that's how we're able to get that storage underneath. And you just climb up 3 steps and you're in the back of the trailer. So you got 2 fold-out sofas. Fireplace. That puts out about 5,000 BTUs of heat. And then of course your theater seating. So these are electric for reclining. Got a little lighted cup holder. They're heated and massaging. See nice backlit fascias, Bluetooth and DVD player. The TV raises up from this panel here. So this is kind of like the central hub of the trailer. So all you do is raise it. It's all touchscreen. Comes up nice and easy. Kitchen. So this one has the 2-way propane or electric fridge option. You can get it with a residential fridge as well, depending what your uses are. Convection microwave, 3 high output burner, and a nice big glass front Furion stove. Obviously everything is solid surface in a unit like this. You got nice deep drawers, 6 of them there. Sink, you got nice 60/40 sink, all stainless, with residential faucet. Kitchen table, it's got the extra leaf in it. I already set that up before I took my nap. 2 extra chairs fold up, they're in the upstairs closet. And then pantry. So in here, new this here is a Wi-Fi modem. So that, as soon as you have power, that's working. All you need to do is get a data plan for it. So buy yourself a SIM card, plug it in, and then you have Wi-Fi throughout the coach. For blinds, you've got day and night roller shades. To set those up, you just give them a little tug. Let's go upstairs and check it out. All right, so the master bedroom. So it comes with the second TV. You got the nice dresser. In here, your closet. So you can get a washer and dryer put in there if you so choose. Otherwise, you can just use it as hanging space. Sliding closet doors. Dyson vacuum, that is an option. There's your 2 extra chairs for your dinette. Cool feature in the Diamond Elite package as well is the electric bed. So you can raise and lower that. Not only is it nice to watch TV, but it gives you a ton of extra space in the bedroom as well when you're not sleeping. USB ports. And then in the washroom, you got a sliding entrance door for kind of an ensuite type feel. Nice big shower. So I'm about 6 foot tall. You can see I got plenty of room in here. Little skylight for a little extra head space. But one thing you noted right away is this vanity. So most fifth wheels that you walk into, you're still getting just a small vanity. Here it's nice full length, solid surface with a sink cover even. And tons of storage. So cabinets here, medicine cabinet, lots of space. All right. And yeah, that about does it for the interior. I'm gonna head back to bed. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll see you guys in the spring.